Hi guys, this is Malcolm from A1 Australia Education Group, Australia's #1 PT, NATI, and IELTS coaching institute. It's an amazing day for us today as a lot of our students have got a score of 8 each, and I'm really happy to have Darshil with us. Mr. Darshil Mehta is from Melbourne, and he has got his desired score of 8 each within a matter of just 15 days. So firstly, many congratulations to you, Darshil. How do you feel about it?
Thank you so much, Malcolm. I'd really like to thank you and all. Thank you so much for all your efforts and all the doubt-solving lectures that actually helped it. And first of all, I'd like to thank you for the 4 main lectures that you actually provide us. It was really helpful, starting with speaking, listening, writing, everything. It was really helpful, and it really helped me a lot. Other than that, your lecture notes, your predictions, everything, it helped a lot for getting the desired scores of 8 each, but it was really nice. Yeah.
Perfect. And I'd also like to let all of you know that Darshil has got a perfect 90 in speaking. Even in reading, he has got 86, which is a band 9 score, pretty good. In listening, he has got 85, and in writing, he has got 79. So Darshil, talking about your journey, like how did you find out about our classes, if you could tell the viewers?
So I got to know about your classes from one of my friend. I think he took a classes back in 2020 from you. So I just got your reference from him. Yeah.
And honestly speaking, you were pretty busy. You did not get the time to attend the actual practice sessions, but I'm sure you absorbed all the information from my videos. And so if you were to give some advice to first-time test takers who are pretty serious about getting 8 each, what would it be? How should they deal with the test?
So yes, as you mentioned, I was pretty tied up with my job and everything. So it was really difficult coping up with everything. But then the 4 main lectures made it very easy. I actually went with the 4 lectures twice in the first 2 days, I think, on Saturday and Sunday. And it helped me a lot. And then I practiced as per your directions, and I kept on asking doubts. And it helped me actually. So I think that would be the thing.
Right. And you got your score pretty quickly, just in 2 weeks, not even 2 weeks. I think in around 9 or 8 or 9 days, you're done with the test actually. So do you think the test is easy or is it tricky? How is the test like?
So to be honest, the test is very easy. You just need to follow a set structure and a set pattern that you give us. And I did that, and I got that score. Yeah. So that was pretty good.
Cool. And obviously, since you didn't have the time to attend the classes, we were in touch through WhatsApp. You were sending me some stuff to check, and obviously you took a couple of mock tests as well. So, which proves that if you are thorough with the concepts and if you get proper feedback, it's not that hard to get 8 each, right?
Definitely, I would agree with you on that point. If you know the concepts, if you know the structure, the one thing you need is just practice, and then it's super easy to get 8 each. That's not a problem.
Like one day before the test also, we had a discussion at night, and yeah, some feedback definitely would have helped you with the test. Any suggestions for, thank you so much. Any suggestions, like tips for test takers who are very close to their desired score?
Just practice enough and follow the structure. Keep on practicing the structure that you provide. Keep on repeating it. Keep finding out mistakes and ask questions. That's it.
And the last question for you, like, would you like to recommend A1 Australia Education Group to your friends and well-wishers?
Definitely. Anytime I would recommend anyone who's planning for PT or even NATI for that say, I would recommend A1 Australia, your classes. Yeah, definitely.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for taking out the time for today's testimonial as well, and really appreciate it. So guys, that was Mr. Darshil Mehta, basically from Gujarat in India. I mean, a Gujarati origin person, but he got his score very quickly. Amazing score, 90 in speaking, 86 in reading, 85 in listening, and 79 in writing, which proves that it is possible to do it very quickly. Many congratulations, Darshil. Wishing you the best. And guys, not only do we help with PT, we also help with NATI in 7 languages: Hindi, Punjabi, Gujarati, Telugu, Malayalam, Spanish, and Sinhalese. We also help with IELTS classes, and our tutor in IELTS has a score of 8 each. That's right. For any queries, call us on 0466466603 or visit our website, which is oneaustraliagroup.com, and we are there to help you out. Thank you so much. I'm Malcolm. Thanks.